Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to convert change currency on Revolut. So to get started with the guide, the first thing to do, which is just first step, is to open the Revolut app, then go to the home screen at the bottom menu. Then from the step 2, you have to tap the more below the balance, and this bring up extra option. Then on the step 3, you have to select exchange. So from there, choose the currency you want to convert from and to. Then from there on the step 4, you have to enter an amount. So tap the arrow to switch to between buying or selling currency. Then on the step 4, you have to review and confirm your changes. So say the exchange rate, amount, and any fee that is associated to the exchange. Then if everything looks good, then tap review, then tap on order to confirm. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.